Every vehicle has them. Blind spots. Those pesky areas just outside the range of your side and rear view mirrors where cars, motorcycles, or even bicycles can hide. Blind spot mirrors are one of the most simplest, most cost-effective tools to eliminate that problem and keep you safer on the road. Standard mirrors only cover so much real estate. On multi-lane roads, it's easy to miss a vehicle creeping up beside you. A quick glance in the mirror looks clear, but the moment you start changing lanes, there it is. Blind spot mirrors expand your field of vision by using a small, convex lens that gives a wider angle view. They help you spot vehicles that would otherwise be invisible, and they're particularly handy for city driving, highway merges, and when towing a trailer. Those little mirrors don't replace your side mirrors. They enhance them. Because they're curved, they shrink the reflection and allow you to see more of what's happening in the lanes next to you. While objects may look smaller, that's the trade-off for getting a broader perspective of your surroundings. It is not common to have these on the vehicle from the factory, but luckily most auto parts stores have them in stock and the installation couldn't be easier. Most blind spot mirrors are self-adhesive and they come in a variety of shapes, round, oval, or rectangular. Here's how to set them up. Pick the right spot. Clean the upper outer corner of your outside mirror with glass cleaner. This location usually provides the best extra view without blocking your main reflection. Peel and stick. Remove the backing from the adhesive and firmly press the blind spot mirror into place. Hold it for a few seconds to ensure it sticks. Test and adjust. Sit in the driver's seat and check your angles. Some versions are adjustable, letting you fine-tune the view for your height and seating position. Blind spot mirrors are inexpensive, easy to install, and can make a world of difference in avoiding lane change mishaps. For a few dollars and a couple minutes of effort, you gain added confidence every time you drive. So if you haven't already, consider adding blind spot mirrors to your ride. They're proof that sometimes the simplest tools deliver the biggest safety boost.